So, you've got a Moka Bank account and you're wondering, can I actually withdraw cash from an ATM with this thing? Well, let's dive right in and find out. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk a bit about Moka Bank. It's a digital bank, which means it's primarily online. This raises a question: can a digital-only bank offer the convenience of traditional ATM withdrawals? The short answer: it depends. Unfortunately, Moka Bank doesn't have its own physical ATMs. So, the direct answer is no, you can't withdraw cash directly from a Moka Bank ATM. But, there's a workaround. While Moka Bank might not have its own ATMs, it does partner with other banks to provide ATM services to its customers. This means, depending on your location and the specific partnership agreements, you might be able to withdraw cash from certain ATMs. How to find out? Here's a step-by-step guide to figuring out if you can withdraw cash from an ATM using your Moka Bank card. Check the Moka Bank app or website. Look for a section on ATM locations or partner banks. The app or website should provide a list of ATMs where you can withdraw cash. Contact Moka Bank customer support. Reach out to Moka Bank's customer support team. They can provide the most accurate and up-to-date information on ATM accessibility. Tips for smooth ATM withdrawals. If you do find a compatible ATM, here are some tips to ensure a hassle-free transaction. Check ATM network. Ensure the ATM is part of a network supported by Moka Bank. ATM fees. Be aware of potential ATM fees charged by the ATM operator or Moka Bank. Withdrawal limits. Familiarize yourself with Moka Bank's daily and weekly withdrawal limits. Security. Use the ATM during daylight hours and in well-lit areas. Be cautious of suspicious individuals and devices. PIN protection. Keep your PIN confidential and avoid writing it down. The future of digital banking and ATM access. As digital banking continues to evolve, we can expect more flexibility and convenience in terms of ATM access. Moka Bank, like many other digital banks, might explore partnerships with more ATM networks or introduce innovative solutions like virtual cards or ATM-like services. While Moka Bank doesn't have its own physical ATMs, it offers ATM services through partnerships with other banks. By checking the Moka Bank app or website or contacting customer support, you can determine the specific ATMs where you can withdraw cash. Remember to be cautious and follow security best practices when using ATMs. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.